And now we will begin with our first presenter, Linhan Dong from Biological Sciences, presenting Manipulating the Biological Clock to Disrupt Mosquito Biting.
Thank you. In about a few weeks, when spring is fully here, our lives will start to get just a bit itchier. Mosquitoes love to bite us. Our blood is tantalizing to female mosquitoes because it provides essential nutrients they need to produce eggs so they can survive as a species. So it's not hard to imagine why they have such a strong desire to bite us. As much as they crave our blood, mosquitoes actually only spend a few hours of their day biting. The yellow fever mosquitoes that I study only bite around dawn and dusk. They only bite around dawn and dusk. It seems like they have this invisible alarm clock in their brain that tells them when to bite, but more importantly, this clock has the power to turn off their biting for most of their day, which is exactly what we want to see. Rhythmic behavior and behavior timing like this is not special to mosquitoes. I can say that in about 10 hours from now, most of us in this room will be sleeping. And this is because we have specialized cells in our brains called clock neurons that sends a sleepy message about the same time of day every 24 hours. And mosquitoes, they also have their own clock neurons in their tiny brains. And these clock neurons use a special messenger called pigment dispersing factor, or PDF, to send signals and communicate to other neurons. So I thought maybe I can disrupt the PDF communication that the clock neurons rely on as a way to disrupt mosquitoes' rhythmic biting. So I use a genome editing technology to disable the gene that's responsible for the production of PDF. Without this clock messenger, mosquitoes seem to behave fine in the evening. But surprisingly, mosquitoes without PDF are not active in the morning anymore. In fact, when compared to the normal mosquitoes, mosquitoes without PDF lost 70% of their morning activity. This tells us PDF is important for mosquitoes' behavior timing. When the clock neurons are trying to send an activity signal, without PDF, this signal seems to be not delivered, as if the clock neurons have lost their internet connection. We all hate mosquitoes. They give us itchy bumps, but worse than that, they're able to spread deadly disease pathogens. Malaria, Zika, dengue, these mosquito-borne diseases kill nearly 1 million people a year, making them the most dangerous animals on the planet. My research has shown for the first time that by changing a component of their biological clock, we can change their behavior timing that results in an overall reduction of their activity. And manipulating this temporal control of mosquito behavior is validated by my research as a potential way to stop these dangerous bites. Thank you.